Hello and welcome to the third and final part of our iPhone and iPad tech video series. My name is Jason and I'm the Reference Librarian here at the Orange Beach Public Library. Today we are going to wrap up this series by talking about how to move apps around on your device, how to take a screenshot, and finally how to adjust the look and font size of your device screen. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And again, thanks for watching.
So the next features I'm going to talk about are how to manipulate the apps on your screen, how to move them around, how to combine them, rename them, put them in folders, that sort of thing. If you find a particular app you want to combine with another one, you're going to hold down on the app itself until it starts shaking. And you're going to see how it's kind of moving around. You've got some movement to it. You can hold down on the app and now you've got it grabbed there. You can move it around on your screen wherever you want it to go. If you want it to go on this particular area, you can just move it up and around. Or if you want to go ahead and move it back to the other side of the screen, you move it to the edge and you put it on a different page. If you want to combine it with another app, you can go ahead and drag it on top of another app like this, and it creates a folder. You can let it go in there. Now you've got a folder titled Entertainment, and then there are these two different apps together. If you don't want to call it Entertainment, you can then click up there, it'll put your cursor in there, and you can go ahead and delete the text and then call it whatever you want. That sort of thing. And once you're done with there, you just click the Done button, and you go and click out of there. And when I say click, I'm just touching the screen to get out of there. And from here, you can do two things to stop them from moving. You can hit the Done button up here, or basically just swipe from the bottom. And that's like going back to the home screen, just like you would on the iPad. If you wanted to go ahead and delete an app, hold down, but not as long to get them all to shake. But hold down, you'll get a little drop-down menu, and from here you can edit the home screen, share the app, or you can delete the app from there, and it takes it completely off your phone. This is the same thing for the iPad. You want to find an app you want to combine. Say I want to combine the Lego Commander app and the Scaro EDU app. I'm going to hold down on the app that I want to get. I get that delete feature. I want to hold. Since I held down a little extra, I get them to shake like this. And now from here, I can go ahead and either X out if I want to delete it, or I can hold on to it, drag it over to the other app, put it on top, and it makes a folder called Education. And since these are educational apps, I like that title, so I'm not going to change it even if I wanted to. I just click up, touch up there, get my cursor, I can delete, change it to what I want it to do, and then I can go ahead and hit Done. You can hit outside the screen, which brings it back home. If you want to get them to stop shaking, you don't have that Done feature up here like you have on your iPhone, but you do have your home button here, so you can just go ahead and touch that one time, and it gets them all back to normal, so they're not edited. So that's how you change and move and manipulate the icons on your screen, and also shows you how to delete them off your device if you wanted to. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you now is how to take a screenshot with your device. Each device is just a little bit different. Usually it's a combination of your sleep button or your sleep button and your volume button. On this particular iPad, it happens to be the sleep button at the very top here. If you touch that, it puts it in sleep mode. You also can go ahead and break it back up, get back into the thing, and say you've pulled up a website or a picture or something that you've seen on the screen and you're not sure quite how to get it, but you want a copy of it. You hold down your sleep button and you hold down the home button and hit them both at one time simultaneously. So for here, I just hold down home and this up here. One time I tap them both, and it takes a picture of it. Puts it down here in the corner. If you don't touch it, it'll automatically default to a picture folder like it just did there. Or if you take the picture and you tap on the picture, you can then edit. You've got your markup capabilities here. We can actually draw on the picture, that sort of thing. See how you can draw on there if you want to go and make some marks on it and stuff. You've also got your delete function in case you don't want to do it, don't want to keep it anymore. You got your different pens, different colors, that sort of thing. And then once you actually get it complete, you can go ahead and hit the Done button up here, and it's going to ask you to save to photos, files, or delete it. More than likely, you want to save it to the photos. It's just going to put it right in your photo gallery. That's how you take a screenshot with your iPad. Sleep button, home button, press quickly simultaneously, it takes the screenshot. Now with your newer iPad, it's going to be just a little bit different stuff. If I want to take a screenshot of my desktop, from here, it's going to be my sleep button on the right, and it's going to be my up volume on the left. I hit them simultaneously one time together. And there it takes the picture. Now I didn't make a camera sound because my phone's on silent. But again, if you don't do anything, the picture will go away and it saves your photos. But if you take a picture and then you click on the picture, you get the same features where you can mark it up, edit it, that sort of thing. You can go ahead and also share it with people, change your colors, you can also delete it, share, that sort of thing. And once you get it how you want it, you can also, with the little corners and the sides markers on there, you can also crop it if you wanted to, that sort of thing. You have that feature on the iPad as well, but once you get it how you like, you then just hit done. It asks you again, photos, files, or delete. You want to save it to your photos, click that, and it saves it to there. So that's good ways to capture things on the screen you might not be able to actually download or save and do a screenshot. Okay, one last thing I want to go over here is on your device is something that you might want to use to go ahead and tweak the settings here to make the phone a little bit more visible. You're basically going to go into your device, go into your settings, look down through here for display and brightness. Click on that. Now once you're in here, you can see where I've got my phone in dark mode. You can change it back to light if you wanted to. I usually go with dark. You can also change your brightness on the screen, that sort of thing. And another place to change your brightness is in that top-down swipe menu and stuff. There's your brightness there as well. So I'd like to go back. And what I was basically going to show you down here is, down here at the bottom it says text size. You can leave it on bold text. If you go into text size, if the font is not big enough for you, you can go ahead and make the font bigger by sliding the little dot to the right, or you can make it smaller to fit more on your screen by sliding the little bar down at the bottom. So keep in mind about maybe a little over midway. That seems to help me pretty well as far as seeing it, but if you're having trouble seeing the text on your device, you can go ahead and increase the text size by going to your settings, displays, and brightness. Down at the bottom is text size. Turn on bold text, but you also have text size there, and that's how you increase the size of that. So let's go ahead and look at that on the iPad. Go to your home button, hit it again, go to the home screen, go to your settings here, scroll down to, again, display and brightness, click on that. Again, you get the same light, dark features, brightness control. Again, the brightness control is in the little hot menu up here. If you swipe in the right-hand corner, get your brightness there. Swipe up to get rid of that little thing. And then again, you've got your text size feature right here. Bold text here. I don't have it on this device, but on the iPad, let's turn that on. So it made everything bold. And then you go back to text size, and here I keep it about 50% there. So it's good, just like I did my iPhone. And so that's how you can modify your screen to be a little bit more legible in case you're having trouble seeing stuff. So hopefully that will help you out.